everyone understands and knows. Maybe the expectation was maybe a little bit higher than what we're seeing happening, but that is the best way to get people to be prepared. And I think on that score, we should be judged fairly well. The issue now is how do we respond? And the ability to respond will depend on just what you have just done here, which is to give an update. We have close to 500 persons, 480 almost persons, or 486, 488, almost 500 in shelters, and more shelters are coming on, and more persons are going in. That's your first line of response, to make sure that people who are in shelters, that they are comforted and that their needs are met. And I've been advised that ADPEM has enough supplies and provisions to ensure that the persons in shelters